Did you know the air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Yep, dust, chemicals from cleaning products, and even furniture can release toxins. But here's the good news. Some indoor plants don't just look pretty, they actually help clean the air you breathe. So today, let's go through 20 of the best indoor plants for fresh, clean air in 2025. 1. Snake plant. This one's a beast. It releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for bedrooms. It's also nearly impossible to kill, great for beginners. 2. Spider plant. Fast-growing, super easy to care for, and safe for pets. It filters carbon monoxide and formaldehyde like a champ. 3. Peace lily. Not only elegant, but also powerful. Peace lily remove mold spores, making them ideal for bathrooms. Bonus: it tells you when it's thirsty by drooping a little. So thoughtful. 4. Aloe vera. Famous for its healing gel, but did you know it cleans the air too? It loves sunny spots and drinks sparingly. 5. English ivy. A total air purifying machine, especially good for reducing airborne fecal particles. Yep, you heard that right. Perfect for bathrooms. 6. Bamboo palm. Adds a tropical touch while removing benzene and formaldehyde. It also works as a natural humidifier. 7. Rubber plant. Big, shiny leaves that absorb toxins and look amazing in any corner. Very trendy in 2025. 8. Erica palm. This one doesn't just clean air, it also keeps humidity in check. Ideal for dry climates or air-conditioned homes. 9. Boston fern. Excellent at removing pollutants like xylene. It prefers humidity, so mist it often or stick it in the shower once a week. 10. ZZ plant. Glossy, sculptural, and tough. Can thrive in low light and dry air while purifying toxins quietly. 11. Pothos. One of the easiest trailing plants to grow. Great for hanging baskets and removing indoor pollutants fast. 12. Gerbera daisy. Surprise, a flowering plant on the list. NASA rated it high for removing benzene and producing oxygen at night. 13. Chinese evergreen. Low maintenance and air cleaning? Yes, please. Just keep it away from pets. It's toxic if eaten. 14. Philodendron. Especially the heartleaf type, so easy, so pretty, and fantastic at filtering out VOCs. 15. Chrysanthemum. Colorful blooms and great at cleaning ammonia, benzene, and more. It's a seasonal plant though, so treat it like a short-term guest. 16. Dracaena. There are over 40 types and most are air purifiers. Dracaena marginata is especially popular in apartments. 17. Calathea. Also called prayer plant. Not only air purifying, its leaves move. Seriously, it folds up at night. 18. Fiddle-leaf fig. Trendy and stylish, but also helps purify air. Loves bright, indirect light. Can be a bit fussy though. 19. Monstera deliciosa, a 2025 Instagram icon. Besides the cool split leaves, it filters airborne toxins like formaldehyde. 20. Gum cane. Attractive and easygoing, but keep out of reach of pets and small kids. Great air purifier for low-light areas. Pro tip: you don't need 20 plants to get cleaner air. Even 2 to 3 good-sized plants per room can make a noticeable difference. Watch for overwatering. Most indoor plant deaths happen from too much love, aka too much water. Wipe the leaves. Dust can block the pores that help them filter air. A quick wipe now and then helps your plant and your lungs. Which plant do you already have at home? Or which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you enjoyed this list, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips, home wellness hacks, and feel-good green vibes. See you in the next one, and until then, breathe easy and stay leafy.